Hi there, this is George at Duffells, just with a very quick run through unboxing the new Souber tools. This is the DKS1, so this is the new door spreader kit from Souber Tools. Very nice professional carry case that this comes in. Looks like it would last a while, and inside very nicely presented, includes the handles, so you get both a long and a short handle, so you can configure this in both variations, inward and outward opening. You can build it in long and short handle format, so essentially you get 4 different versions of spreader tool in this kit. These are the spreader plates themselves. So this is the inward opening, a very nice chamfered edge there for getting access into profiles, and these do thread together really nicely with the long and short handles to form very solid tools. This is the outward opening spreader plate, so this is shaped specifically to give you really good access to outward opening doors. And the way these tools are designed means that you can work in quite confined space with these, inside reveals, or if you're up against an adjoining wall, and still get the leverage required to spread the door. There's also included this small piece here, which is the start-off tool. So if you're trying to get some access, maybe in a tight area, to an outward opening profile, this tool specifically, this is actually a sprung steel part, and this will give you a really good means of getting that access as well. This part here is the scotia guard, or scotia protector. So this is a very important piece. This is used to press on in place over the top of frames with beveled edges or ornate sort of decorative plastic form, such as decorative profiles or scotia profiles. And what this means is that if there is exposed or vulnerable pieces of plastic while you're using the spreader tool, this will prevent any damage to those pieces, stop any pieces cracking off, or any brittle pieces in the winter, especially if you're working when it's cold, prevent any damage to the frame. The mushroom strikers, that's what they're called, these parts. There's 2 provided. The shorter of the 2, this is for outward opening doors, and the one with the longer forks, if you like, is for inward opening doors. Once you've got the door open and spread to get access onto a cam or a mushroom or a roller, you then release all of the tension from the spreader tool and strike this in order to move the failed blocking points. Also in the kit are these small but very important plastic wedge pieces. So once you have the door spreading position and you want to use these to manipulate the lock or get these into position so that you don't have to hold the spreader tool, these can be placed into the gap you've created just to hold the door open to give you access to those parts and work hands free with the rest of the kit. All in all, it's a very, very nicely built, quite nicely designed travel solution as well. Very professional looking piece of kit, and that is the DKS1 Souber Door Spreader Kit.